Hi everyone, I'm Daniel from Silicon Syndicate. Have you ever looked at a medical report and felt like you were reading a completely different language? Or waited days just to get a simple answer from a clinic? For millions of people, healthcare isn't just expensive, it's confusing. But in 2026, that is starting to change. Today, we're looking at how new AI, from companies like Google and Anthropic, is becoming your 24/7 health assistant. And some experts believe this shift could change healthcare faster than smartphones changed communication. Here's the one thing you need to know. You can now take a photo of your vitamins or a confusing lab result, and AI won't just read it, it explains it like a friend would. No jargon, no medical dictionary required. Just clear steps you can actually understand. Let me show you exactly how this works, and why millions of people are already starting to rely on it. Let's look at a real example. Meet Sarah. She's 70 years old and she just got back from the clinic with a lab report filled with words like lipid profile and LDL-C. To her, it's just confusing numbers. In the past, Sarah would wait days to speak with a nurse just to understand what any of it meant. But today, she opens the Claude app and takes a simple photo of her results. Instead of giving her a medical lecture, the AI explains it in plain English. Hi Sarah, your cholesterol is slightly high, but your overall heart health looks good. Here are 3 questions you can ask your doctor tomorrow. And that small moment changes everything. Sarah doesn't feel lost anymore. She feels prepared. This is what experts call agentic AI. It doesn't just read text, it understands context and helps people take action. It becomes a bridge between a complex hospital system and a person who simply wants to stay healthy at home. So why are the world's biggest AI companies focusing on healthcare? Anthropic recently introduced healthcare-focused versions of Claude designed to be HIPAA compliant, which is just a technical way of saying your private medical data is meant to stay private. At the same time, Google is training its Gemini models to analyze X-rays and MRI scans with remarkable accuracy. These companies aren't just building chatbots anymore. They're building expert assistants, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to anyone with a smartphone. For Silicon Syndicate, this may be the most important AI shift of 2026. It's the moment AI moved from being a cool toy to becoming a life-saving tool for people like Sarah. And here's the bigger idea. Healthcare knowledge used to live behind hospital walls. Now, it fits in your pocket. Not replacing doctors, but helping people understand their health before fear turns into panic. AI can be complicated, but your health shouldn't be. If you want to know which AI health apps are safest and most useful for families, I've placed a list in the description below. Subscribe if you want simple updates like this, without the tech confusion. I'm Daniel, and this is Silicon Syndicate. I'll see you in the next update.